This is Hong Kong's answer to fried chicken. You'll find it all around Guangdong, Hong Kong, and Macau. In Hong Kong, people call it Dong Hong Zha Ji Gai. Zha Ji Gai means crispy chicken and Dong Hong means popularity and luck. Which is why this dish is usually eaten at special events like weddings and family gatherings, plus Mid-Autumn and Chinese New Year celebrations. And like fried chicken, the crispy chicken skin is a lot more delicate since it isn't covered with batter, and the meat tastes more complex since it's marinated with a mix of Chinese spices. So what makes the chicken so crispy? We asked Silas Li, a chef in Hong Kong who specializes in Cantonese food.
It's not actually that difficult to make.
Are you sure?
First step, clean up the chicken using boiling water, just to clean the outside of the wax, the grease, the dirt. After that's done, leave it on one side and then put the seasoning in to marinate it for a good few hours. After that, we have to make a vinegar bath, which has vinegar, white wine, water. The tip is a little bit of baking powder. That helps to break down the dirt and the wax on the surface of the chicken. Keep putting the vinegar water into the chicken for a few times. Hang your chicken, air dry it for about 5 to 6 hours. Then it's come to the frying part and start putting the oil on. After that's been done quite a few times, use a lower temperature. Make an oil bath, put the whole chicken in. Leave that inside for around 15 minutes. Take it back out, hang it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Let the oil drip. Take it back into the hot oil and start basting it again. Just keep doing that until you find it is starting to get crispy. Then you turn it on the other side and start putting the boiling oil into the cage. So you have that nice roasty chicken flavor from the bone. Then that will infuse the flavor back into the flesh. Let it rest approximately about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you have to refry it again for about 5 to 6 minutes. And just take it out, let your chicken rest before you cut it. That's more or less, that's it really.
Everybody can do it. Even you guys can do this at home. Even you guys can do this at home. You guys can do this at home.
He made it sound so easy, we decided to give it a go. First, clean the chicken, right? Okay, that wasn't too hard. Now we'll marinate it. Now we have to make a vinegar bath to douse the chicken in. Then hang the chicken up to let it dry. We kind of have to get back to work now, so we'll just use this. Now we can finally fry the chicken. Got to let it dry again, then back to basting it with hot oil.
Basting again?
Yeah, basting. We're following the chef Silas.
Take back into the hot oil and start basting it again. Basting it again, basting it again, basting it again.
So he said basting again.
Baste. Just baste.
Basting it again.
And that's more or less, that's it really.
That's actually pretty good.
That's actually really good. That actually tastes like restaurant level.
The skin is a little saltier, but because the meat is not as salty, so it balances it well.
Maybe we should marinate longer.
It tastes like crispy chicken, but the texture is definitely not that crispy, but it tastes really good though. It's tender.
Chef Silas might be right.
We also got crispy chicken from a shop nearby to compare the two.
I want to try that. This looks radically different in terms of the skin, but
honestly, that looks more like oil chicken than crispy chicken.
It was more like Yao Gai. Yao Gai has brown skin.
Where are you from?
Okay, Silas was right. Anyone can make a decent crispy chicken at home, even us. Try it and let us know how it goes.